Welcome to HE Services. This is the Komatsu PC55 MR5, a compact 5-ton excavator designed for power and precision. This video will show you how to inspect, operate, and work safely with your machine. Before anything else, make sure you're wearing proper PPE, high visibility clothing, steel toe-capped boots, and a hard hat. Before any shift, always carry out a full walk-around inspection. This helps ensure the machine is safe and ready to use. Start by checking the lights to make sure they're working and are not damaged. Look at the tracks for wear and make sure the spacing is even. Inspect the idler at the front for any cracks or damage. Around the back, check the final drives. Look for leaks, worn sprockets, or signs of impact. The cab structure should be intact, with no cracked glass. Look under the machine for any fluid, leaks, or debris. Check all visible hydraulic hoses for leaks, bulging, or damage. Inspect the boom, arm, and bucket cylinder for any dents, leaks, or scoring. The dozer blade should be solid with no bends, cracks, or damage. Next, open the compartments. On the rear left, check the engine oil level. Look over the hoses and note the general condition. On the rear right, inspect the radiator to make sure it's clear of debris. Check the air filters, coolant level, and hydraulic oil. Make sure all caps are secure with no signs of tampering. Before getting in, secure the cab door open using the latch. Use 3 points of contact and grab the rails to climb in safely. Once seated, fasten your seatbelt and ensure it works properly. Test the control levers with the ignition off to make sure they move smoothly. The operator's manual is stored in the cab and covers everything you need to know. You can also scan the QR code outside the cab for full specs and safety information. If anything seems wrong, don't operate the machine, contact your hire provider. If you hired from HE Services, call us straight away. When you want to start operating the machine, push down the red hydraulic safety lever to unlock the controls. Turn the key to the first click and wait for the system to boot. Check the digital display for warning lights, fuel level, or system alerts. If all looks good, turn the key fully to start the engine and check the gauges again. To the right of the cab, you will see information about how to use the master hitch quick hitch attachment, as well as a pattern card. Now let's look at operating the machine. Using the right joystick, pull back to lift the boom and push forward to lower. Push left to close the bucket, push right to open it. With the left joystick, push forward to extend the arm, pull back to retract. Push left to swing the cab left, and push right to swing it right. The hydraulic thumb is controlled with your right thumb, which helps with gripping. The right foot pedal swings the arm left or right. This is useful in tight areas. There's a flap to cover the pedal and avoid accidental movement. The dozer blade is controlled with the right lever. Pull to raise and push to lower. To change tracking speed, press the button on the right side control. The screen will show your current speed. Using the track levers to move, push forward to go straight, adjust left or right to steer. Lighting and climate controls are on the top or right console. When digging, always dig in line with your tracks, as this gives you the best stability. Avoid digging sideways across the machine, as this increases the risk of tipping. Before digging, lower the dozer blade to stabilise the machine. When moving, raise the blade and keep the bucket low and close to the cab to stay balanced. Use smooth movements when loading or dumping. Sudden shifts in weight can throw the machine off balance. Avoid overreaching and never exceed the max digging depth of 4.13 metres or the dump height of 4.47 metres. Always stay clear of other people and equipment whilst operating. If the machine becomes unstable or begins to tip, stop immediately. Stay calm, shut off the machine, and exit safely using 3 points of contact. Call your hire provider straight away. When you're done, rotate the cab slightly over the tracks to create a safer step for getting out. Raise the red safety lever to lock the controls. Turn off the engine and remove the key. Then exit using 3 points of contact. Make sure the cab is secure and the door is closed. For more help, scan the QR code outside the cab, check the operator's manual, or contact HE Services directly. Thank you for hiring the Komatsu PC55 MR5. Stay safe and dig smart.